Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to make an awesome and easy breakfast. Now I love runny yolk eggs where I dip bread in it. This we're going to kind of all combine it together in a super simple way to make it. So all we need is a few ingredients: salt, pepper, an egg, a piece of bread, and some cheese. And then I have a little bit of dried parsley down there. All we're going to do is kind of push the bread in. This is keto bread, so it's a little bit stiffer than normal bread. But you can use whatever bread you want. We just have keto bread at home. So make a little pocket in the center where the egg's going to go. We'll put our egg in. Now if you don't like runny yolks and you just want the egg in the bread, you can whisk up the egg first so that it's, like a scrambled egg. But I like it this way. So go ahead and throw on our salt and pepper. Then we'll throw on some cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. I switch this up and use all different types of cheeses. I love cheese and I like all of them, so sometimes I want some Parmesan, sometimes I want some cheddar. This time I'm actually using a Mexican blend, but you can use whatever cheese you want. And we'll just surround the egg. It's okay if you get a little bit on the pan, it'll just probably burn in the oven, but that's all right. Get your oven preheated to 350. And we're going to throw this in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. Now I sometimes cook it a little less, like 7 minutes, because again, I like the yolk to be really runny. But you can cook it up to 10 minutes in the oven, just check on it. Let's go ahead and throw it in there. After 10 minutes, this is what we end up with. Not even any dishes to clean, because my pan I threw some aluminum foil on, so it's super easy to clean up. Very quick and easy meal to make. And we'll go ahead and show you. We'll cut this open. Cook this for 10 minutes. And our yolk is still runny, as you can see there. Go ahead and slice it down the middle. Oh yeah. Now if you want, like I said, more done, you just got to cook it like 12 to 15 minutes if you want that yolk not done. Or use whisked eggs and just have it like scrambled eggs in there. It's very tasty. I'm going to go ahead and eat it. Have any questions, let me know. We'll see y'all later.